Welcome to YouTube, and welcome back to Cars King 2.0. Today, we are stepping into a world where comfort, technology, and mobility come together in one unbelievable creation. This is the all-new 2026 Luxury Motorhome, a rolling mansion built for travelers who want to take their home with them without compromising style, elegance, or performance. If you've ever dreamed of a vehicle that combines the freedom of the open road with the luxuries of a five-star suite, then stay with us because this motorhome is something truly extraordinary, in 2026. The motorhome market has evolved like never before. Manufacturers are now competing not just in size and features, but in delivering a premium experience that feels effortless, connected, and truly luxurious. And this new 2026 luxury motorhome stands at the very top of that evolution. As soon as you see it, you know instantly that this is not an average RV. Its exterior design alone announces that it belongs in a class of its own. Sleek lines, futuristic LED lighting, aerodynamic shaping, and a bold, road-commanding presence give it the look of a rolling modern villa. Everything about the design tells you that this is a vehicle built for long journeys. Ultimate comfort and a luxury lifestyle? The first thing you notice is the massive size. Yet the designers have balanced practicality with elegance. The front fascia features a high-tech grille and LED matrix headlights that reshape themselves based on driving conditions. On the sides, you get smoothly integrated storage compartments, full-length electric awnings, and large panoramic windows that let natural light flood the interior. The paint options for 2026 include new metallic shades that shift color under sunlight, giving the motorhome a premium, almost yacht-like appearance on the road. Even standing still, this thing looks like it's ready for an adventure, but the beauty of this motorhome isn't just in the looks, it's in the engineering. Under the chassis, the motorhome is powered by a highly efficient hybrid powertrain designed to handle long distances with surprising smoothness. The electric motor supports silent city driving, while the combustion engine provides strength for long highways and mountain climbs. Combined with an advanced suspension system, the ride feels more like a luxury bus than a typical RV. Whether you're driving through deserts, hills, or crowded cities, the 2026 luxury motorhome promises stability and confidence, and now, let's talk about technology, because this motorhome is loaded with features that make traveling easier than ever. The smart driving system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assistance, 360-degree cameras, and AI-guided navigation that automatically suggests fuel stops, camping sites, and scenic routes based on your journey. The digital cockpit is fully touchscreen controlled with customizable layouts, wireless connectivity, and voice-activated controls. Every system, from climate to lighting to security, can be managed through a smartphone app even when you're away from the vehicle. Now let's step inside. Because this is where the 2026 luxury motorhome truly becomes a dream home. The interior is built with premium materials, from soft-touch leather seating to hardwood flooring, ambient LED lighting, and crystal-clear panoramic skylights that let you sleep under the stars. The layout feels incredibly spacious, thanks to the multiple slide-outs that expand the living area at the push of a button. The living room offers luxury seating, a large entertainment system, and a versatile space perfect for relaxing or hosting guests. Every corner has been designed to give you the feeling of a luxury apartment. Only this apartment moves with you. The kitchen is fully loaded with modern appliances like an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, and large storage cabinets. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full meal, the space is designed to work just like a home kitchen. Right next to it, you have the dining area with a foldable premium table that can convert into an additional workstation when needed, further inside. The bedroom area has a full-size bed with memory foam mattress, underbed storage, premium cabinets, and beautifully arranged ambient lights to create a warm, peaceful environment. The designers clearly built it for long-term living, not just short trips. And then you have the bathroom, a spacious, hotel-like setup with a glass door shower, Ceramic sink, automated tap, vanity mirror with built-in lighting, and an eco-efficient toilet system. It's not just comfortable, it's luxurious in every sense, asterisk. But what truly makes the 2026 Luxury Motorhome special is how intelligently everything is connected. Solar panels on the roof help power your electronics. Smart climate control adjusts automatically based on outside temperature. The security system includes motion sensors, live cameras, and remote locking, making sure your home is safe even when you're away exploring, asterisk. The rear section of the motorhome features extra storage compartments, utility hookups, and in some configurations, a small garage space for bikes or compact off-road vehicles. Perfect for adventurous families who love exploring new landscapes, asterisk, the 2026 Luxury Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's freedom, comfort, and lifestyle blended into one. Whether you're planning long cross-country road trips, mountain escapes, or beachside vacations, this motorhome brings a home-like experience to every place you visit, asterisk. This was your in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Luxury Motorhome. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Cars King 2.0 for more amazing automotive content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, asterisk.